Hey guys, Austin with MeasureSquare here, and today I'll show you how to create a work order in MeasureSquare CRM. We'll start from the diagram screen and click on Plus Add. Our materials and labor are automatically separated, and we have the option to exclude materials from the list entirely. If we include materials in the work order, we can have the prices removed while still showing the labor totals. Here, we can select an installer and working dates for the project, or we can leave those fields blank and fill them in when more information is available. Any instructions, terms, or notes for the installer can be listed down below. Then we can save the work order, customize the columns, and send it to the appropriate people. Notice that the working dates and installer are printed on the work order. This information is shared with the installation schedule automatically. If we go to the calendar, we can find our installer and see that a new schedule was created for them on those dates. When we move the dates from here, we can find the dates relabeled appropriately from the work order form as well. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below and join us in our next video for MeasureSquare CRM.